In today's video, we will show you how to add a new user to the system. You can find the user base in the Admin panel, General Settings, Users. There, we have a list of users already created in the system. To add a new user, simply click the New User button. From here, you will need to fill in the basic information required to save the user. Fields marked with an asterisk are compulsory. Let's add a crew member. The code is especially important for crew members, as we use codes to assign crew to flights. The permission group defines a user's level of access to the system. Administrators can create new permission groups or modify existing ones as needed. In this example, we are adding a crew member, so we'll assign them to the crew group. When creating a login, keep it short and easy to remember. It's better to avoid using special characters. If you choose to fill in the email field, the password will be automatically generated and sent to the crew member. If you don't want them to have access to the system just yet, you can leave it blank and add the email address later. That is enough information for the user to be saved in the system correctly. However, when adding a crew member, it's helpful to include their passport and ratings right away. To add a new passport, go to the Documents tab, click the New Passport button and fill in the required details. You can also add multiple passports. The default checkbox will show you which passport should be used for flights. In this video, we will add just one passport as an example. You can also upload a scanned copy of the passport and include any necessary notes. In the Ratings tab, you can assign certificates and ratings. To assign a rating, simply click and select the appropriate one. The list of ratings must be predefined in the system. This process is explained in the video titled Aircraft Crew Positioning and Ratings. In our example, this crew member can be assigned as the captain for this aircraft type. Upon clicking Save, the user will be added to our list. Let's move on to generating a password for the new user so they can access the system. Any admin can generate a new password, whether it's the first time or at any other point. First, we click on the user, then open Full Edit in the lower left corner. This will open the user's full profile, allowing us to add additional information and easily generate a new password. To generate a password for the new user, we need to fill in the email address. The work email will be the address where all messages from Leon will be sent, including notifications, passwords, and so on. Now, we check the box Generate New Password and click Update. The login details and the password are now sent to the user automatically. Once the user logs into the new account, they can go to their profile and change the password. Now, we will show you how to remove a user from the system. First, we click on the user we want to remove. Next, we click on Open Full Edit once more. From here, we can deactivate the user. Deactivating a user means they will no longer have access to the system and won't be visible within it. Under Account Restrictions, we untick the boxes Can log into Leon and Active. The next step is to click on Update, which will confirm the changes. As we can see here, the user status has changed to inactive. However, they are not fully deleted yet. To permanently delete this user, we need to go back to their full profile edit. At the bottom, there is a button labeled Permanently Delete and Anonymize Data. Click it and confirm this action. To check whether the user has been completely deleted, We can click on the button Check Permanently Deleted Users in the upper right corner and enter the user code. Leon will display the exact time and admin which deleted said user.